Hey, what's up, YouTube? We are back with more Ideamaker tips and tricks. So what we have here is a Punisher bust by Photos Mint, and I put some custom supports in here underneath the buckles here, and some underneath the buckles in the back, and some in the back where they were needed. And let's say you did all this work, and you printed it, and you realize, as you see, there's a glaring mistake. The ears do need some supports here. Little earlobes down here. And let's say you forgot to do that, and then you printed it, and you're like, oh man, now I got to go back in and put these custom supports back in all over again because you did this. You hit delete, and oh my gosh, it's gone. Well, Ideamaker has project files. So if you go to File and Open Idea File, nope, I don't want to save anything in there. If we go to our Documents and Ideamaker Projects, I have already saved this Punisher bust as a project. So you can reload exactly where you were, as long as you hit save, of course. So I don't have to put back in the supports that I was missing. As you can see, the supports are still there, and the supports in back are all still there. So let's go ahead and add those ear supports. So let's go ahead and rotate a little bit. Let's back this up, and we'll rotate this way because we only need a little bit of support underneath the ears. Right about there sounds good. Support and custom support. Let's go ahead and add manual supports, but let's go ahead and do that as 3mm size. Don't need 5mm size supports for these earlobes. There we go. Boom. And let's go to rotate and drag it this way. Boop. And go to supports. And let's go ahead and rotate this guy around and add manual support. And right underneath that ear as well. Boom. Go to rotate and reset the rotation. And there we go. We now have the supports under the ears that we missed from before. We'll go to File. We'll go to Save Idea File. And now the idea file is saved. Now, if this is the first time you've done this, you would go to File, Save Idea File, and it would ask you for a name and what location you want to save it in, which would kind of look like this if we hit Save Idea File as, and you know, Punisher Bust Fixed. Save. Boom. And that's how you do these little project files in Ideamaker. So if you do a lot of supports and you miss some supports or find you don't need some supports, you can go back in and edit those without having to start from scratch. So hopefully that helps everybody out a little bit with their upcoming print projects. So again, stay tuned for more Ideamaker tips and tricks videos in the future.